So my name's David John Roche. I'm a composer from Dredegar in South Wales, and I'm writing a new work. It's called Harm Reduction. It's for everything they'd let me write for, basically. It's a nice big blasting piece, lots of fun, lots of noise. It's based on all the rock and metal I grew up listening to in South Wales when I was a teenager. Bands like Funeral for a Friend, things like that. Technical, ornate music, I think. You'll hear that in the piece itself, as well as lots of semiquavers, lots of blasting rhythms, lots of riffy moments, and even some wah-wah on the guitar. It's kind of splashy and all or nothing all the time. So I grew up playing in rock and metal bands in South Wales, and I think there's a huge divide between the way we talk about that music and the way we talk about classical music, just in terms of basic technical means. I am interested in taking the materials from the rock and metal I grew up listening and using it in a sincere way, to show how exhilarating, exciting and profound it can be.